pinakabaling. When we winaka, congratulations. No sa government na milestone liw. Na achievement na kalima sa ngabulo ni nomungito. And laman ni madawan sa tigi branch. Saban ni winakatuyan. Binawali unang dololo matubiki mami nagarubo. Nanumukoro. May uma binawali unang dololo tinumumbal. Wiki mami miki mituki na. Rakanang gito. Untuk sama tuna na nimimiti kita miki mendo sarap na tinilro. Dira nung gito sa siyang. Yo mamanimaga wasa may babutukan ni saya daw na nomu 50th game. Turun nung mo one winaka ni Viko. Binawali mo na dololo machuko. Congratulations. Dito mas ni na wawali ni na ngarabi na kanay tabi. Kami na rupo bicho na kalo.
Congratulations, Samu, 50 games for the draw. I know you put in a lot of hard work for a long time, so it's an awesome achievement.
Hey Samu, we're so excited about your 50th cap for the Drua. Amazing. Of course, we'll be watching this weekend, as we always do.
So proud of you. Get stuck into those Aussies, I'm sure he will. And really looking forward to watching it. And again, really well done. It's just an awesome achievement.
And I have to say, Samu, that like with every single game we watch when you're playing, if anybody is anywhere lying on top of you or being annoying, I start jumping up and down at the TV saying, "Get off our Samu." So I'll be doing that again on Saturday.
Ono, just wanted to congratulate you on reaching your 50th cap for Fijian Drua. I want to congratulate you. It's a milestone for your rugby career. It's also a milestone for your family. We're so proud of you. The village of Puma is proud to have one of their sons play their 50th cap for Drua. And also the people of Levuka is proud that you've reached this milestone. You've been an inspiration to the family, to the kids in the village. You've been an example of what someone could achieve if they put their heart and everything into what they believe in. And you believed in your rugby career, and it's an honor that we're here to see that you reach your 50th game.
Congratulations, Taono, on your 50th game for the Fijian Drua.
Chill out, bro. Congratulations, Taono, on your 50th game for the Fijian Drua. Chill, bro.
Ulaminaka, congratulations Mama Ono on the 50th game for Team Drua. We wish you all the best in your game this weekend. We love you. Toso Drua Toso.
Kiweiko Samuela Tawake, kiwe msabani ni winakatuani na ngone buli ni Ratu Seru Memorial School. Na loma ni korni buli ko loma ni Buddha. Ewa malau kim sabani ni winakatuani weiko era no mungito ni singil mataka. Namu matataka cukup na Fijian Drua, enai kali misalnya buli ni ngawa. Saya mbak ni binaka, ini nang gitu sarama binaka, kalau di Natali taka, lalu ni sampai tatali cukup na dona singaling lagi, enai singaling pataka. Nasar balik.
Hi, happy 50th cap. Congratulations, all the best. Play well and God bless.
Bulu binaka tawali. Na buku retungan na muli ng matabubalang ko'y Wellington. Kita wani ni binakatian na buku ni dala na dero sa may adoba. Ang kita chicken na kalimusan wali ng gito. Na chiming ganggan. Jini Rosailo Momo batiki Rupin. Iti po natin Samu na wani lang ng matabubali. Na biasa buru-buru kita utukin na may kita na kailabag ko. Na muna wala takat sa chiming Drua. Na alam mo ni madamu. Maybe gitu, God bless you tabali. Wani binaka, and alam mo ni madam.
He puse fulu 5 game.
Watia, watia, no party, no party. Hey, hey. Oh. Hey, hey. Oh. Toso Drua, toso.
Bula Tano, congrats on your 50th game for the Drua. We are all so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. I know this hasn't been an easy journey for you, but just know your support system's got you and I've got you. And I hope that you have a good game this Saturday. All the best and much love from my side.
Mama Samuela Tawake, mami sa akin nakatulad ni nung sa dito ay nakalim sa ulo kaya sila ni mata. Dua, Drua, tol. Toso Drua, toso!
O nini binaka, adu kalima sabu ni gitu magumono. Quando io tenho na lili no matagal de corajoto, o senhor de Buelau vai na cola waturanga o ma. Toso, Drua, toso.
Bola kerua. Bola sem. Na lili of the valley, kita kami di benak tuan. Nung sa yaga po na kalim sa ulo mo dito. Ito na achievement liyo sa nga sa may ganong milestone liyo. Sa yaga po tuming gol. Ito may iwan nung dito nga doon na tano lelay na lili of the valley. May bigay ito kayo, kita pa nung dito na dito na sa taking branch na mga taong ko. God bless and all the best.
Well, Sammy, congratulations on this amazing milestone. We're so proud of you. We'll be cheering you on from Hamilton.
Nako no, nabukikito nga Tawake family Hamilton. Kita sa panunyo binaktuan yan na mo 50th game na bungin Baruay. Nitag na namarta ka mo gito sa lalaman bibituan.
Uncle Lana, don't forget to say hi to Uncle Moti for me.
Aka.
Uy, mbula mox. Betor manong ko panunyo binakatunubi ko nung kita ni sinimataka. Klasa meada po nung kalim sa kabunan gito na bunimata ko sinon tumati winin Drua. Congratulations to NV ko. Ito sa awan yun binakasar to NV ko nung kita ni mataka. Wan yun binakataltong ni Berto na Darbo na bukin ni Walo na kami ni mataka. Kita sa awan yun binakatuyan ni Lute kum do chiko chong. Wanaw Samu, Toso Mox.
Pula uso congrats on your 50th game for tour. Good luck.
Lots of love from the mighty Waikato. Toso Drua, toso!
Mami sama nini binakatuin ng korong anji. Na nakita ni sige mga rumay. Nung nandara makati ko na sige tinindura na kaya nagkalima sa kamulingaw na. Toso! Toso Drua, toso!
Congratulations, Samu. It's a great achievement. God, you've come a long way from that little boy who was with the birds all those years ago. Not that little, but you know what I mean. I just remember back to all those great scrummaging tips I gave you, and it's just so nice to see you put them into practice. I do think, though, sometimes that maybe if you hadn't eaten all of my food at dinner, perhaps I would have grown up to be the great sportsman, but, you know, you can't do these things twice. But really, congratulations. We'll all be watching with great interest, and we're so proud to be related to a decent rugby player, because Jacob isn't, he's not that good. But best of luck on Saturday, and congratulations on an amazing 50 games.
Bulavanaka Samu, huge congrats on your 50th. You're a Drua legend already. Good luck for the game. Well done, mate.
Samuela Tawake na kalima sa ulam gito na marong ko. Toso Drua, toso!
Hola, I just want to congratulate you on your 50th match with Drua. So proud of you. I've seen the sacrifice, the commitment, the discipline you've put in to get to where you are. And yeah, you're a true inspiration to not only me but to our family. And yeah, just so proud of you. I think one of the nakatiyan mo dito na weekend ko. Toso Drua, toso.
Naka Momo Ono, today we thank God for your life, reaching the 50th game with the Fijian Drua isn't just about a number, it's about the passion, the sacrifice, the heart, that you carry with you every time you stepped onto that field. This moment is even more special because we know someone very important that should have been here today is no longer here today with us. We know Ta never missed any of your games and was always there, cheering the loudest, always smiling the biggest, and believing in you no matter what. While he's not here in person today, he's not there, we're not there to watch you as you play your 50th game, but we know that Ta is watching you and he'll be so ever proud of you. You did not just play for yourself, you played for us and for everyone who believed in you. And that is what makes this milestone ever so powerful. We love you, we are proud of you, and you know Ta would be saying the same thing, but even more louder. So here's to 50 games and even more to come. Fijian Drua Toso!
Mula ono, autor ng una binakango, may ubaban binakan, umsamay tikin doon isa sobo, may kalim sa mabuli no mong gititipan na Fijian Drua, the 50th game. Tomanda ubaban binakawana kalo, na bukuni no mong bula, kinabikaw sa may rawat sa lubeng. Nuita kanya na ba kuretiko, may bakakiroon do, vivas ng tektiko kinakita, naging amisawa. Nanu mando bakliu de timana kalo kando baba na binakatiknelo manabing on kilsa. Sabi ko nini binakatikaya no mungite camera na we can go. Once again, congratulations and God bless you.